What's going on? What's good with you? Welcome to Racing Mindset, where your mind is always racing. Today we have a special guest, Phantom Built, which will explain all these bikes behind it. Let's get into the details. So I know you all are wondering what is under this cover. Now we can't expose what it is, but there's going to be a nice carboned out bike that is in the DMV that's going to shut a lot of things down. But I got one thing else I want to talk to you about. Phantom Busa.
What's up?
So Phantom Busa and Phantom Built. Tell us about the two.
So Phantom Busa, started riding when I was about 16. First bike was a Busa. Got addicted to them quick. Just kind of took over from there. I've had turbo Gixxers, nitrous Gixxers, but my heart is always laid with Busas. Had a couple Harleys, but I always keep going back to these. So this started as a 2024 Busa. Bought it brand new off the showroom floor and wanted to be different, make it different. Last season, we did a 1441 from Carpenter Racing, tuned by Reggie. Everybody knows Reggie.
Yeah, race addict.
Yeah. Then did a bunch of carbon on it from Motofix. All the carbon on the bikes from Motofix. Tank, triple trees from Elif. The front stays from Icor Moto. And then you start getting into the custom stuff. We did a full tubular frame on it from Stunner X.
Jeez, how much does that weigh?
Right now, so the frame, engine bolts, pivot axle, everything was just over 20 pounds. And that's for everything. So it saves about 16 pounds.
16 pounds?
Yeah, it's a good amount.
Wow.
And then you get outside of that, then you look at the DME rear subframe, the Elite swing arm, and then of course we run Brock's exhaust. Everything has been powder coated to match.
Well, it sounds like that you didn't spare no expense in this. Is there anything else that you plan on doing, or is after this is it? This is the complete project?
I think this is it for this bike.
Yeah.
We'll probably do another project at a later date.
Oh, that's what's up.
But for right now, we're just gonna keep rocking with this. We wanted to make the 1441 from Carpenter kind of be top tier. They offer a big motor. A lot of people are scared of the big motor. So we stuck with the 1441 and just wanted to get as much weight out of the bike as possible, but still streetable. It's got a little over 7,400 miles on it that I rode last year. So we're gonna keep riding it on the street, even with the frame. Everyone tells me, can't do it, but we're gonna do it. Still kept cruise control and all that fun stuff.
I know, that's right.
So we're gonna keep it, but yeah, no expenses, not spent on this thing at all. So
Nah, I feel you. So it's one thing that I have to ask.
Yep.
There's always a person on the top of the hit list. Who is that?
He's been going after DMV's neck for a little bit for a while now. Same, I think his is Gen 2. It looks like a Gen 3 though. Similar motor, but on nitrous. I told him he's gonna need all of it. But Mr. Grim Reaper himself. That's
Reaper. Hey. Man, listen, man, you calling us out, we calling you out, man. We can't wait to see what's going to happen.
But that's definitely one. Of course, catching lane with you, Reggie, Supa, the at-home team as well. It's always a blessing to ride with you guys and catch lane with you guys as well. So it's always fun. It's always a good time. So, but that's definitely my number one priority is to get a lane with Reaper. So I'm excited for that one.
Thanks for letting us know about this beautiful, beautiful project that you're putting together. But now, let's get into the client's bike.
So we got a couple varieties, really specialized in Suzuki, but we do a little bit of everything, honestly. We got a 2023 Busa in for some lightweight stuff. It's a repeat customer. He came in last year. Did a swing arm, chain and sprockets, just routine stuff. And then he wanted to go a little bit faster. So we lowered it, stretched it. I think it's a 2 to 6 arm on this bike. And then this year we're doing a bunch of lightweight stuff on this. He's a bigger guy. So hopefully we'll see a Carpenter-built motor in it eventually.
Okay.
But we'll see and kind of just go from there. But he brings me all this stuff, so I'm really appreciative of him. He's a great guy. So just for this one, just lightweight and try to get as much weight out of it as possible for him, so that way he can start to be more competitive this year in the racing scene.
That's what's up. I see it's another booster here.
Yeah, we do a lot of boosters. That's a good friend of mine. He brings it to me for all of his routine maintenance. Everything from chains, sprockets, oil changes, air filter, all that fun stuff. He brings it to me since he bought it brand new. But this one's here just for routine maintenance, pretty much just getting ready for the season. So coolant flush, oil change. We don't run OEM coolant, we run engine ice. It's what we prefer. Engine actually runs a little bit cooler. So we put that in almost all of our bikes, as long as the customer's okay with it. It's a little bit more expensive, but we see the performance better. And even this stock bike with just exhaust on, you see a temperature difference. So it matters even in everyday riding. 08 CBR 1000 came in. We're gonna wind up putting a motor in it. Last year doing some wheelies, oil starve, threw a rod through the front of the block. So it's here. It's gonna get the engine replaced within the next week or two, hopefully. We'll do chain sprockets, all that fun stuff on it in the meantime. But once the engine gets here, we'll get that replaced. Over here, we have a 07 Gixxer 600. It's a good friend of mine's bike. Came in, it was overheating. After looking at it, wound up finding out it had a horrible coolant leak to where it barely had any coolant in the system at all. So we got some radiator hoses replaced on it, got to take care of all the leaks, got it topped off, and it's ready to go back to Virginia, which she's actually taking it to Florida this week. This bike has 44,000 miles on it.
What?
Yes.
Wow.
So proper maintenance is key. They do last and they do run for a very long time. So.
Drop a comment below if you know anybody that has over 40,000 miles on their bikes. All right, we got a Gixxer 1000.
Yep. So it's my boy Trey's bike. He's pretty big into roll racing. 2021 Gixxer 1000. So we did a 520 conversion on it. Did an oil catch can to pretty much get rid of all that oil blow-by through the engine system. Also did a carbon nose and carbon fender from RM Carbon. Looks absolutely beautiful. So this got buttoned up and it's ready to go back to him this week sometime. This is one of the heavyweights, as we would call it, in the DMV. So if anybody wants to catch a lane in the DMV with a heavyweight, Trey is the guy to go to for sure.
The bike looks light. Did you weigh it at all?
We did. We're not going to disclose how much it weighs.
Okay. No secrets, no secrets.
Yeah. So, but yeah, so it's a nice bike. We'll say that.
Got you.
We got some weight out of it.
All right, and last but not least,
your own personal bike.
Hey man, that thing looks beautiful.
It is a beautiful bike, my friend. 2024, right?
24th anniversary edition.
Yep. Yep. So it came in. We got your carbon chain guard on for you. Right side, rotor and caliper deleted for you. And then I know you also wanted to get that MotoFix immobilizer system installed, so we took care of that for you as well.
Yes, the immobilizer.
Yes.
Yeah, so can you please give us a tutorial of a rundown of how everything works and just the functionality of it and what's the purpose?
Yeah, absolutely. The immobilizer system is a wireless system. It's great. It gives you 2 key fobs, 2 batteries. If you're out of range of 20 feet, it shuts power off to the bike completely, and it doesn't allow any power to the bike at all. It's a really good system. So he has his ignition deleted, so no key, nothing like that. Most of everybody that does this, we just turn the bikes on by this. As you see, nothing's going on. That's what we like. So in order to put power to the bike, the immobilizer system goes to this button here. You turn that on, it puts power to the bike. We then flip this switch, and then you can hear everything prime, so on and so forth, and the bike is ready to start at this point. It does take a little bit of wiring and a couple hours to install properly, but it's well worth it. Definitely check it out.
Booster, thank you for having me.
Absolutely.
You know, you've done a lot for the DMV. You got so many bikes in here. You know, you just started your business, and congratulations on that, man. You're doing really, really good things. And I appreciate you for putting my baby together, man.
Absolutely.
You know, I had a few people that had some, difficulties trying to put it all together, but hey, man, you knocked it out, man. So appreciate you, man. Keep up the good work, bro.
I appreciate it.
All right. So like and subscribe if you want to see more of Racing Mindset and our special guests and what they have planned and all their goodies that they have. Hey, stay tuned.